Regarding the spontaneous nature of spoken discourse, the difference is depicted in the fact that speaking is both ungrammatical and disorganized, whereas writing is quite the opposite. Spoken discourse contains more half-completed utterances because it's spoken spontaneously. However, this doesn't mean that written discourse is not half-completed, it's just that it is simply the finished product, or as Halliday mentions, it is seen as a highly idealized version of the writing process. In addition, speakers can interrupt each other as they speak, and they can also ask for clarification if they want. This leads us to repetition, hesitation, and redundancy, which are notorious differences in spoken discourse, since it's produced in real time. This is related to the use of pauses and fillers, where the speaker uses these opportunities in order to have more time to think about what they want to say. McCarthy argues that all of the previously mentioned differences are not one-sided. Moreover, they are a continuum or a scale of interpersonally divided differences. For instance, some texts may contain more implicit discourse than others, although written and spoken discourse work under the same grammatical system. They encode meaning in different ways depending on the manner in which they are represented or contextualized. Discourse analysis has its focus on knowledge about language and the world beyond the word, clause, phrase, and sentence that is needed for successful communication. It relates closely to the junction between language and socio-cultural context. Regenbach mentions the bigger picture of language description that is often left out of more micro-level descriptions of language use. This helps us to understand the rules of the game that are drawn every day in spoken and written language by everyone, that means its users.